So 3 minutes Friday, maximum information in the shortest amount of time. Let's get started. Same arrows, but one time with broadheads and one time with field tips, shot with thumb release. Do they have a different flight pattern? I don't know, we will find out. So, and I'm testing directly the newest iteration of thumb protectors from Archer's Tidbits. We shoot now 3 arrows. These are the 600, 500 spine destroyers with field tips. And see how this is going. Nice and straight, nice and center, nice and center with these field tips. And thank you, by the way, Danny, for giving these tips to me. Yeah. Oh, nice. So 10 meters, center shot, and almost a Robin Hood. Ooh. She's so when you shoot broadheads. 20 meters. First the normal ones, field tippy. Ooh, 20 meters. Need to adjust. Still too low. Okay. And the tip weight is almost the same. I think they are 200 grain, and these tips I have on the other ones are 175. So almost similar. Broadhead. Oh, sounds nicer. Ooh, yes. I think with the two-bladed one, they act almost like a wing. So, yeah, but a little to the left, you saw that? Funny thing, before was directly one of the heads broke off, and now I have the thread inside and the rest came off in the hay bale, lost forever, so I need to fix this arrow later. But one of these blades is a little misbehaving. You see the arrow always completely going off target. The other one goes very predictable where it's supposed to. Let's see on 30 meters what it does. I shoot the right circle. Oof, that was wobbly. So one of them behaves a little weird. Let's see which one, I don't know. One of them went simply to the left. This one, see, goes to the left. Interesting, but I think it's simply the blade. This one goes straight. See, these blades have an effect, and these are of course cheap ones, so one of them simply goes always to the left. I don't know why. Let's see one more time these two blades behaving. So I don't know if it's now because they are not, this is when I knock it, then the point goes a little to the left from you to the right, and this one is straight on. So I turn now the knock like this. So now they are both knocks and arrows are aligned. So what did we learn today? The flight is not that much different, so they're a little heavier. That's why they dropped a little earlier. But what was important now for the two-bladed ones, that they are aligned with the knock. This one was always flying straight, and the other one, this direction was a little off, like this. He was always going to the left and then straight. So this one I had my problems. Once I fixed the knock and aligned the knock with these two blades, everything was fine. So overall, the flying pattern is not very much different to the normal field tip. You only need to make sure that it's aligned properly, and then it's fine. So this is what I figured out for you today, or for myself today. Now I know. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.